In this ATM Profits review, I'm going to be showing you a course where they're claiming that they're making $29.73 every 60 seconds on autopilot. I'm going to be showing you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and potentially a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ATM Profits, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, exposed, our done-for-you commission-generating profit machine makes us $29.73 every 60 seconds on autopilot without any tech skills, experience, or hard work. So pretty hypey headline here, but let's take a look at what this actually is here. So when I first saw the headline, I was obviously a little bit skeptical, as I always am. If you watch my reviews, you know I'm pretty skeptical. But there's some truth behind this, and the idea behind this is that they're doing affiliate marketing, they're promoting offers, they're making money. I've seen their income proof. I believe that they are actually doing this. It's a hypey headline, but they are actually making money. If you want to learn how to make money as an affiliate marketer from people that have recently learned how to do this. Now, these the people that made this product aren't guys and gals, it's a guy and a girl, that have been doing this for like years and years and years. They're fairly new here, which I like about this. So if you look in here, there's commissions that they have coming in here. I believe that these are their commissions. Here's more commissions. I believe that these are theirs. Look, here's Cynthia Benitez. That's her money that she has coming in. I believe this income proof here. And again, it's just because they make this money doesn't mean you're going to make this money automatically. But I do like to know that there's not like fake income screenshots. Now, I don't like this car here, but I guess people like to see these fancy cars. I don't know why. I have a lot of money, but I don't drive a fancy car. I drive a Hyundai Tucson. I don't need to have a fancy car to live a nice life. Anyways, maybe some people do. Maybe that's what they want. Anyways, continue on here. So this is sales page stuff, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to skip right through that. Does anyone actually read that? I don't think they do. And we get to the bottom here. And if you purchase, you're going to have access to the blueprint, the done-for-you resources, the traffic case study, the real-world case study, all that included in here. What I do want you to do here, just try moving your mouse away on the real page. A discount might pop up there. I make less as an affiliate by showing that to you, but I always want to make sure you get that lowest price. Hit that like button if you like that I show these discounts and you want me to keep doing it in the future. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you right inside the members area. I'm going to show you the OTOs and the discount.
Exposed, our done-for-you commission-generating profit machine, makes us $29.73 every 60 seconds on autopilot. I have 3 questions for you. Have you ever wanted to make an amazing living doing something you actually love? Do you ever feel like just quitting your job? Do you wish you could just have the freedom to do whatever you want? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you're going to want to pay very close attention to this presentation. Hi, my name's John and I'm an affiliate and online marketer. If you've ever felt frustrated and like nothing seems to work out, I can relate, because not so long ago I was in the exact same position as you. Before I discovered this simple blueprint, I always wanted to be a full-time online marketer. I suspected the big marketers, aka gurus, knew something that I didn't, but I didn't know for certain. I had this nagging feeling that I was being kept in the dark. But the media and all my friends always said how powerful online marketing is. Did you know that stats reveal affiliate marketing is estimated to be worth $12 billion globally? And that the affiliate marketing industry has grown 52% over the past 5 years. And it's only going to grow larger in these uncertain times. In a few minutes, I'm going to reveal my simple blueprint. You're going to discover why this is the simplest way to stuff your account with daily commissions. Finally, I'll show you why my ultimate traffic blueprint will send you all the buyer traffic you'll ever need. Watch now or miss out. This information is very controversial in nature, and I can't guarantee it's going to be around forever. Watch this presentation now, or you might never discover this simple system on your own. It took me years of trial and error to uncover these secrets. But if you thought your frustration in the past was bad, think of it like this. Nothing will prepare you for the future if you don't unlock this information right now. Introducing ATM Profits. You see, I saw that ordinary people were really getting fooled by misinformation. I wanted to help by sharing what works for me. So I decided to outline this simple blueprint for you and make it as easy as possible to implement with heaps of done-for-you resources and tools. Solving all your marketing problems with ATM Profits is easy. All you need to do is copy and paste my methods, then you're all set. With ATM Profits, you can never worry about an empty affiliate account again. This is the closest thing to having your own automated profit machine on tap. ATM Profits comes packed with great features like ATM Profits Blueprint, covered step by step and over the shoulder video. Easy to follow, do this, then that guides have you up and running fast. Exclusive done for you resources. This isn't available anywhere else. Where most systems show you what to do, we give you the system we actually use that pays us daily. Ultimate traffic system. Where most systems leave this out, in ATM Profits, traffic is covered from A to Z. You'll be shown exactly how to set up targeted traffic and show you the best traffic to tap straight into for the best results. Just plug this in and your profit ATM is all set. Easy money case study. In this case study, you'll see how I banked $921.85 in 31 minutes using these methods. Click the button below now to get ATM Profits for a low one-time fee. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what our beta testers are saying. Xavier says, John and Cynthia, you just keep bringing these high-end courses. Bill says, ATM Profits is a banger, game-changing and powerful. And Brian says, the blueprint for your success. I often get the question, how do I know ATM Profits will work for me? The truth is, this blueprint has consistently worked for 100% of beta testers. I also get the question, can I really do this? In reality, almost everyone can with even hardly any effort at all. But there's more to ATM Profits than what I've already told you. As a valued customer, you will get access to a private member area with VIP support. I'll also fully guarantee your purchase by giving you a 365-day guarantee. The price of all this is normally $97 per month, but for today only, it's just $12.95. We've also added some great bonuses. Bonus number 1, Commission Secrets, value $997. Bonus 2, OLSP Traffic Domination Group, value $997. Bonus 3, Supreme Paydays, value $997. Bonus 4, Profit Force, another value of $997. Bonus 5, Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded, another value at $997. But this offer is going to be around for a limited time only. We may close the offer after 200 people get access, and it will be returning to a monthly fee after this short launch period. Imagine knowing you had the opportunity to tap into this ATM Profit system, but didn't. An opportunity like this is once in a lifetime. If you want to really create a life of freedom, the time to take action is now. The main reason newbie and intermediate marketers struggle is not having a system to easily follow and having no support. ATM Profit solves this with spades. Remember, you get the ATM Profit Blueprint and the Ultimate Traffic Blueprint. You also get done-for-you tools and resources and the Easy Money case study. P.S. Here's a recap of everything you're getting. You're getting the easiest, fastest way to fill your affiliate account with your very own automated profit machine. With our ATM Profits and Ultimate Traffic Blueprint, you also get the step-by-step tutorials, case study, and the 5 premium bonuses. Click the button below now to lock in the lowest price possible. The time to create your life of freedom is now. Click the button below to get started, and we'll see you on the inside.
Okay, so we are in the members area now, and they have like orientation and stuff here. Then they have a case study where they show you exactly how they made $12,000 in 30 days. I love stuff like that. I love case studies. I'm crazy for them. They've got their main training where they show you like setting up your autoresponder, your done for you funnels, picking your offers, email follow-ups, running traffic, tracking traffic, email broadcasts, keeping your list clean, all those important things, conclusion, bonuses, unannounced bonuses, all these extra things included inside of the members area here. Now, there are multiple OTOs. So the first one, it says in 30 seconds, you're 30 seconds away from scaling to $500 paydays. So this is just it looks like an advanced training here for this. Here's what I want you to do though. Move your mouse away. You can bring the price down from 27 to 17. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that discount. Please hit that like button. It really helps me out. Next one is it says steal our money-making campaigns that average $247 a day. So you can steal their done-for-you campaigns, but move that mouse away and get a $20 discount. Next one here is traffic. So you can actually put a retargeting pixel on their sales page and get really cheap traffic. You can get a $100 discount off of that and get it for $97. Next one here is you can steal their funnels that's made them $82,000. So move your mouse away and bring that price down to $27. And the last one here is if you want them to personally coach you, if you want to really get someone to help you out and really be there for you, this is more expensive. It's $997, but it's for people that really want to go all in on this. But of course, all these let's see if there's yeah, this is good. You can get it for just 2 monthly payments of $597. So actually, it makes more sense to get the $997, but if you want to do it in payments, then you can get it for less. But I would personally, I would pay the one time of $97. That makes all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about ATM Profits and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, it's hypey. You know I don't like that, but it's got a little bit of work that of course you have to do with this as a real business. So just know that you have to actually put in work. The money's not going to come in on autopilot. What do I like about this? This is a real method that actually works. If you want something that's going to actually work in affiliate marketing, then check this. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at ATM Profits, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video.